Hey all, I'm Dumpster Diving Indiana here, and we are dumpster diving in the middle of a snowstorm here in Indiana. As you can see, with the big mountains of snow everywhere. Poor cars covered, but we're still going to give it a shot. So let's see what we got today. That's kind of heavy. Can't tell what's in that. Looks so heavy. Yeah, move that stuff there. There's a few things in here. Lettuce. Got a bag right there. Looks like M&Ms and stuff in it, maybe. There's some popcorn. But I don't know. I can't tell what that bag is for sure. Empty or just trash. Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, romaine lettuce. Of course, y'all know they recalled that. Yellow squash, which I don't need. Yeah, that's just all garden lettuce there. Let me see it for just a second. Try to move this in the box back here. Yeah, I don't know what we'll find tonight. Like I said, it's the middle of a snowstorm here. We're going to try. But it doesn't look like a whole lot at the moment here. A lot of trash, but not a lot of stuff at this one. But we got many more to check out, so. Better than that one. I was gonna make a joke on it. Yeah, well, not much in this one. On to the next one. Well, it looks nice out here, folks, but what a mess. Well, let's go check dumpster number 2 here. They left this one open. PS4 box. A lot of empty game cases over here, but I can see they're all empty because, well, they're all open. Yeah, it's hard to dive when there's this much snow.
Compost and bags.
Yeah. Or they swept the lot, dumped it in here on top of it. But I don't see anything other than a bunch of empty cases in this one.
Yeah.
Doesn't appear to be anything special tonight anyway.
Well, might have it.
Find something in that one?
Maybe. There's a case in this bag here. Nope.
Nothing.
Oh, Wii U box down there. Ooh, it's heavy too.
Couldn't get that lucky tonight, I didn't think. But you never know.
Oh yeah, not heavy enough.
Yep, Wii U box. Wii U basic set box. Yeah, like I said, didn't think we'd get that lucky tonight, but sounded good.
Oh yeah, that'd been awesome if it worked.
Okay, all. On to the next one. Well, let's see what we got in here. In the snow. See a box right there? I don't know what that is. Ooh, that don't look good.
Part of it happen though?
I don't see anything happy about that. There's a bag with a pen in it. A few things, it looks like maybe. Birthday balloon. Chocolate box, empty pan. Hey, there we go.
There you go.
Cool little Christmas cup there. Oh, here's another one. What do you find, Mike?
I thought I found a savage soap.
That's broke. Hey,
Only soap.
here's another little cup. Mike. Broken glass in the bottom of this one, so be careful. I don't see anything too special in here. Couple things though. Find anything?
No.
No.
Man, whoever works here is a heavy drinker.
I've seen that. Well, a couple little things there, folks. On to the next one. Okay, y'all. That's food dumpster.
There's the box. There's the
That's the aquarium that busted it up.
There are the gates up there.
Yeah, I see that gate, but look through that one. I'll look through this one down here. Jeez. Cardboard Central. Massive amounts of cardboard tonight, folks. Yeah, just cardboard. Those are both food dumpsters. Alright, well, nothing here either. Okay, friends, let's see if we've got anything in here tonight. This snow seems to be hampering our diving efforts really badly. Yep, these have all been ripped open. This is the emptiest I've ever seen this dumpster, folks. Yeah, there's a couple more potatoes under here too, but we have a ton of potatoes at home, so we really don't need potatoes.
Oh,
Wow. You know, folks, dumpster diving in the snowstorm doesn't appear to be a very great idea. But, on to the next one. Okay, y'all. Let's see what we have in this snow-covered mess. Making it a bit hard to dive when there's 6 inches of snow on top of everything. There's a black bag. Well, already ripped open. See that? Another black one right here. If you can get to that one. I'll tell you all a little secret about most of these Dollar Generals, which you can see somebody's beat us to this even before the snowfall because they're all ripped open. Black bags, 90% of the time, all the good stuff is in the black bags, because those are the bags they use to take out the stock and stuff. But all these black bags have been shredded. I mean, they've completely shredded them. And I don't know. Is there anything in this box right here? Empty boxes. Nope. hopefully they can get to this one.
They're all shredded, man. They've already beat us to them all.
Yeah.
See, this seems to be the pattern of problems we've been having lately. It doesn't matter if we go at 6 in the morning, 10 at night, 3 in the afternoon. They beat us to the dumpsters. It's like they literally stock the dumpsters anymore. Okay, on to the next one. Okay. Wow. Ah! Now see, this is a Sunday. And we have a lot of dumpsters, I noticed tonight. We probably checked 30 that are empty on a Sunday. So why in the world the trash trucks emptied the dumpsters on a Sunday, I have no idea. Strange. Okay, on to the next one.
Hey all, from our family of years here at Dumpster Diving, Indiana, we just want to wish you all Merry Christmas and check out these lights. From our family to yours, Merry Christmas everybody.